Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get back Microsoft Paint software in the latest Windows 10 operating system. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, if you have not heard about the latest Windows 10 operating system updates, then a bad news is that Windows 10 latest operating system will not come with the old Microsoft Paint software. So maybe they may provide it in the Microsoft Store or the Microsoft App Stores in later days, but if you have upgraded to the latest Windows 10 operating system, then you may not find Microsoft Paint software anymore. But there is a good news: you can still install it back if you really in a need of Microsoft Paint softwares on your Windows 10 latest operating system. Then these tricks will gonna help you a lot. So if you're lucky enough, then you can go to the Microsoft Store application and you can just search Microsoft Paint, or you can just search a Paint, but it may not display it. But if you're using a Windows 10 preview or insider preview operating system, then this Paint might appear in the Microsoft Store or the Microsoft App Store. So if you're using a stable version of Windows 10 operating system or the RTM version or any other than the preview version, then this first tricks may not be working for you. So for this, what you need to do, if you're using a Windows 10 latest operating system and still you may not able to find a old official Microsoft Paint software, then just open any web browser and in the Google search just search this application named Microsoft Paint Major Cakes. Just search this in the Google search, and on the first list you will see its website. Just click on it. Now you will see your download option. Just click on it. Just download the file. Wait for a few seconds until the downloading gets complete. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder and let me close the web browser. Now you can see one file, right? So just double click it to run or open this program. Now you can see here it's asking to install Paint. Now you can see when it's trusted Microsoft Store app. So it's a Microsoft Store app, but in your Microsoft Store app you may not be able to find this application. Right now it's only available in the Windows Insider Preview operating system Microsoft Store. So if you're using a stable build of Windows 10 latest operating system, then you may not be able to find it in the Microsoft Store app. So just use this application which I have shown right now, and now you can see here below install. You can just untick also if you don't want to launch it as soon as it's installed, or you can just keep it as it is and just click on install. It's working. In my case it's a Metro connection, don't worry, just click on yes. So it's showing something error like, right, the device is currently running on this and this. So you can see here this device requires OS version 10.19. This much or higher on the Windows desktop. So right now I'm just using a lower version of this. So let me show its properties. So let me go to the settings. So let me show you. So here you can see it's asking OS version, right? So you can see here on the right side 10.0.19041.0. so you can see in my case the OS build is not that much. So you can see here it's older version, so you need latest version. So I'm not using the latest version of Windows 10 operating system. So I have already a Paint application. So if you don't have a Paint application, then just upgrade your Windows operating system to the latest version. As you can see, this application supports from this to the maximum or the latest Windows 10 operating system. So just click on install and it will get installed definitely. So right now I can't show you installing since it's showing the package requires this much of OS version. So just if you update it or upgrade it to the latest Windows 10 operating system, then this application will surely gonna work for you. So try these cool applications, and if you are still unable to install, then feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to your channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.